We will be learning on how to activate this analysis tool pack in Microsoft Excel. We know that Microsoft Excel is widely used for statistical computation. That's why there's a need for us to activate this data analysis tool, and we call that as the analysis tool pack. That is in developing this complex statistical analysis. We will be using this Microsoft Excel sheet for us to check whether the data analysis tool pack is activated or no. On the tools menu, we have in here the home, insert, and so forth. Let's click the data. Okay, and then we already have the different tabs here. On the upper right corner, the data analysis should be present here. But as we can see, we don't have the data analysis. Therefore, it's not yet activated, so we have to activate it. To activate, we have to choose the File tab and then click the Options. We have the add-ins here. And then choose the analysis tool pack because it's in active applications. We're going to click this, and then next is click the go. So the add-ins already appears here. If you notice, the analysis tool pack is unchecked. So we have to check this to activate, and then we're going to press OK. So as we can see, we already have the data analysis here. Let's just see the content of this tab. Right, so we have in here the statistical tools. We have the ANOVA, correlation, descriptive statistics. We have the F-test, 2 samples, and so forth. So we can already use this in treating our data.